Right Honorable Speaker, the cocoa farmer cannot be paid less than 6,000 Ghana cedis per bag. Old Ghana cedis, 60 million old Ghana cedis per bag.
Hi guys, this is Facts on Facts on them.The. Please do share, like, and subscribe. Interestingly, Ato Forso had a lot to say when the NDC were in opposition. Guys, Ato Forso indicated, and I quote, Mr. Speaker, cocoa farmers deserve to earn not less than 6,000 Ghana cedi per bag. And he there did a conversion and indicated that this is 60 million old Ghana cedi.
Right Honorable Speaker, the cocoa farmer cannot be paid less than 6,000 Ghana cedis per bag. Old Ghana cedis, 60 million old Ghana cedis per bag. The payment of 6,000 Ghana cedis per bag is critical because cocoa farmers deserve the benefit of their hard labor.
So the Akuffo Addo government was so insensitive, was intentionally milking the cocoa farmers when the international price of cocoa was better. Ato Forso went on and on and on and called the S1 administration insensitive, corrupt, and of course, they have been doing nothing but milking the poor cocoa farmer. Guys, there's an adage in our local dialects, even though it sounds English, but this is more typical African. And I quote, monkey they work, baboon they chop. This is how Ato Forso described the New Patriotic Party and the cocoa farmers of Ghana. Now, Ato Forso on several occasions indicated that if he was the finance minister, he is going to pay the cocoa farmers nothing less than 6,000 cedis. What is the situation today? Guys, I am so scandalized by the fact that the PR for the NDC government is forgetting that we have receipts to everything they said when they were in opposition. Guys, this is the same Ato Forso who took over from Haruna Idrisu in a very bizarre situation, in a very Rambo-style approach. Haruna Idrisu and Muntaka Mubarak woke up on the wrong side of their bed because the party decided to use Ato Forso to weaponize the New Patriotic Party's government. In fact, they succeeded at that because I did not, in the life of me, believe that Ato Forso will be able to lead the then minority. But he executed that, even though Haruna Idrisu comes to the table with different style. But Ato Forso tried his best, and exactly what we are going to use to measure his performance as finance minister. Guys, today, 4th August 2025, the Producer Price Review Committee on Cocoa, under the chairmanship, met and agreed on producer price of cocoa for 2025 to 2026. Season, which opens on Thursday, 7th August 2025. Guys, the government of Ghana is pleased to announce to all of us that there has been an increment in the producer price of cocoa from $3,100 per ton to $5,040 per ton. All right. So this is the news that has been trending. And Ato Forso addressed the media. Because of copyright issue, I don't want to post that video. All right. But if you want that, just send a DM. I'll gladly share that information with you. Guys, Ato Forso has a PR that is essentially moving this message. And we are told that the NDC has, increased the price of cocoa from 3,100 Ghana cedi to 5,040. All right? And strangely, in the statement of the Minister of Finance, the actual price of cocoa per bag is what exactly the cocoa farmers in Ghana buy or sell. They do not, buy or sell in tons. No, they sell in bags. So if you are doing a realistic explanation It's not about all the 70% gross fee. It's not about all of that. All the explanation, all the message, all the whatever that has been said. The whole point is that the government has increased the price of cocoa from 3,100 Ghana cedi to 3,228 Ghana cedi 0.75 pesos per bag. This is it. So all the English the finance minister spoke about, in fact, everything that you've heard, all the explanation, the 1-page letter that is in circulation, all that it means is that the government of John Mahama is now increasing the price of cocoa from where President Akuffo Addo left it to 100. The increment from President Akuffo Addo's administration to John Mahama's administration is just 128 Ghana cedi point coins. This is it. And we are told to be excited and call it Aban Papaba. Guys, go and check on the WhatsApp group of cocoa farmers in Ghana. They are crying. Cocoa farmers are screaming. Cocoa farmers on their WhatsApp group, they are dropping audio upon audio. Excuse me, like, cocoa farmers, they don't have time to type. It's just audio. Some are screaming. Some have brought themselves together. They are ready to come demonstrate against Ato Forso because this is not what you promised them. And this is the biggest scam in the history of Fourth Republic. Imagine telling the Ay3 administration to be insensitive, calling them names, calling them monkey they work, baboon they chop. And you will not, as a finance minister, do that. And you come back to tell them that you are going to just add 128 cedis per bag. This is scandalous. It is so bad. And for me, I was just enjoying the audio from these cocoa farmers. Some of them are screaming, especially those from the Western North region. They've been talking, they've been yarning, they've been saying a whole lot of things because they feel disappointed, they feel betrayed, and they feel like John Mahama and Ato Forso have deceived them. You see, sometimes when you have a colored TV, you don't appreciate it unless you lose it to a black and white television. President Akuffo Addo took the price of cocoa from a very bad price to 3,100. And today, because there is a strong PR machinery behind every action and inaction of this government, Ato Forso is enjoying. And now, there's an impression created as if the government has done something good or great. It's just 128. 128 Ghana cedi. Just it. It's not in thousands. Is that what you promised the people? Is that what Ato Forso promised the people? Let's get serious in this country. Because for me, and from where I sit, I think that this is the biggest scam in history. Because this is not what you promised the cocoa farmers. And everybody is behaving hypocritical to create an impression that the government has done well. Just 128 Ghana cedi. And to add salt to injury, you call the Ay3 administration corrupt, and you made a bold statement in Ghana's parliament to claim that if farmers are paid less than that, then they have been shortchanged. In this particular situation, who has shortchanged the farmers? Who? When you are in opposition, you talk, you open your mouth, insult, talking anyhow, yarning anyhow, insulting, calling the Ay3 administration names. Look at your reality. Just 128 Ghana cedi, and you've called every media house in Ghana to pay them more. And today, we have the CEO of Gov't moving up and down with his sakura and suits, explaining and justifying this blatant deception to our cocoa farmers. I leave you with peace, and this is what the farmers voted for. They should enjoy. Gracias.